love, and we could be homies. But once you get to know me, I could be your one and only. I could make you unlonely. We could take it slowly, and we could keep it low key. I could be your one and only. I could make you unlonely.
Ya ini kita jalan ke tempat Mas Apang.
Ayo sana.
Nggak bisa pangkling langsung datang. Aduh.
I've been chasing summer around, searching for the sunshine, looking for a good time, following the good vibes, listening to intuition as it's happening, digging into life cause at times it can be saddening. Yeah, it can be a gray day if you're lonely. A little rain suddenly turns heavy, but a whole lot of love can make the clouds go away. Maybe the time for us is now, when the table's set for two and there's nobody with you, seeing movies by yourself. Let me be your someone else. It could be love, and we could be homies. But once you get to know me, I could be your one and only. I could make you unknown. It could be love, and we could be homies. But once you get to know me, I could be your one and only. I could make you unlonely. We could take it slowly, and we could keep it low key. I could be your one and only. I could make you unlonely. Love, 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 love. One and only. I could make you unlonely. Give you my word, although I'm making words up. Unlonely ain't a word, but I don't give a fuck, cause I'm fresh from the farm where critics can't bother me. Living is tricky as it is, so that ain't stopping me. You and me, we both agree that no one needs a scrutiny. All we want is peace and love, and honestly you ruin me with your beautiful smile and your style continuity. I'd be a fool not to take the opportunity to say
Kita mau naik gunung.
Oh my God.
Udah.
Tempat akung.
Iya, kita mau main sana.
Oke.
Di sana sama siapa aja?
Main di sana sama Osin.
Iya. Sama Caca.
hey, we should be homies. I think we could be bigger than cheese and macaroni. We could keep it sweet like Chachi and Joni. Or maybe just be ourselves, never phony. Never second guessing the friendship connection. Parallel living, never in possession of your individual personal expression. Together we're just a much better reflection of.
Ada yang nggak mau dilepas kacamatanya.
We could be homies, but once you get to know me, I could be your one and only. I could make you unlonely. We could take it slowly, and we could keep it low key. I could be your one and only. I could make you unlonely. Love, 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 love. One and only. I could make you unlonely. Love, 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 love. One and only. I could make you. The table set for two, and there's nobody with you. Seeing movies by yourself. Let me be your someone else. If you're spending time alone, if it's just you and your phone, taking pictures of yourself, baby, maybe I can help. It could be love, and we could be homies. But once you get to know me, I could be your one and only. I could make you unlonely. We could take it slowly, and we could keep it low key. I could be your one and only. I could make you unlonely. Love, 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 love.
Kemana kita?
Suka marah.
Suka marah.
Bye.